Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a clogged up sink. This is my bathroom sink, and I was cutting my hair, and my hair is pretty long, and I let some of that hair go down the drain. Later, my sink drain got clogged up. If I pour some of this water in, it's going to get clogged up, and the water's going to come right back up. And as you can see, it's going to stay like that. This is pretty easy to fix. All you basically need is a toilet plunger. This costs like $3 to $4 in Walmart. Once I start plunging the sink drain, all the materials that is stuck in the drain is gonna come out of this hole right here. Fill it all the way up. Now from here, you wanna make sure to get a drain catcher, just so that all the excess dirt and hair would catch it by this device here. Leftover water is coming out of the other side. And it's pretty nasty. And as you look at all that clunk, look at all that stuff that's coming out of there. And my hair should be coming out of here, so this is some of my hair that went through the drain, and it's caught up and it went through the other side. And as you can see here, it's getting better. So some of the water is going down the drain. Let me just pump it a couple more times. So look at all this stuff that was stuck inside there. There was like this styrofoam material inside here, and plus the hair and all that stuff. So it would also help if you use hot water as well. You see how quickly everything drained out? Just keep on pumping the plunger, and eventually everything is gonna get cleared out. So nothing is starting to overflow or anything like that. So now everything is working correctly. Nothing's coming out of the drain. The sink is pretty much perfect. So guys, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.